All right, welcome in everybody to the Christmas edition of One Gotta Go. Instead of deciding which family member gotta go during the holiday season, just tune in and check out these additional videos that we're going to put up, clips, so that way you can argue with these selections instead of with your family. With that being said, who do we got first up for this first edition of the Dunmark's Christmas One Gotta Go?
This is Donald's.
So since it's food time of the year that we like to eat, I did cuts of steak. So you have your ribeye, your T-bone, your filet mignon, or your sirloin. Cuts of steak. And remember, it's one gotta go, so your least favorite.
I'm getting rid of the T-bone. I'll do a mean ribeye, filet mignon is staying, and I enjoy a good sirloin as well. I'll get rid of the T-bone.
This ain't chicken tenders, so I don't know what.
Chicken tenders.
I mean, you cut the chicken. I can't eat
5-year-old kid.
Jason wants his nuggets.
Give me filet mignon because it just sounds pompous.
That's the best cut on the board.
Yeah.
Isn't that the skinniest? Doesn't filet mean?
It's the best cut on the board.
It's the round.
Just a little small round one.
Round and thick. Mm-hmm. Nothing.
It's you or Donald. Like,
Yeah.
I thought Jason would continue on.
No, I just
For me, fillets when I get the most. Sirloin probably after.
why are
T-bone,
you
honestly,
talking in a cave? I have a straight echo right now.
I got the clean effect. You got the voice effect.
I'm gonna vote T-bone off. I order that the least. I hardly ever get T-bone.
Shit's going on.
Yeah, it's not worth it. T-bone can go.
Yeah, ribeye is probably the one I get the most whenever I go out. Like a perfect ribeye, perfect. Filet mignon, that's probably the second one. You know, you need that dollar for that. Sirloin, if it's cooked right, it's good. T-bone definitely is the one I gotta go.
Where's New York Strip?
That's a part of sirloin.
Okay.
Then these are the categories. You know, then you just break off from there.
I mean, if you ate anything enticing chicken fingers,
I know nothing.
dignity.
40 years old, still ordering chicken tenders.
40-year-old
Class.
man.
Honey mustard is class.
40 still going after chicken tenders.
Pinky up while you dip it.
Yeah, if it's not chicken fingers or boneless wings, Jason don't want it. But you add butter noodles to that list too.
You dunk it in like in the honey mustard, just like Power Rangers. Triceratops.
Probably put ketchup on your steak.
All right, that was the Christmas edition of One Gotta Go. Again, don't vote your family members off. Watch these videos.
Sister.
Argue which one gotta go. And until next time, y'all can catch us around the way.